So why did you choose the digital growth community when you decided to launch into the digital space?
So I've been looking for like 4 or 5 years trying to find something in the digital world. And I've been self-employed my whole life. Like I'm 53 years old, fixing to be 54. I've done hair my whole life. My body's getting tired. You know, I work 3 days a week, but I work long hours on those days. And I love every minute of it. But I know that I can't continue to do that because if I'm not cutting or coloring or whatever, I'm not making anything. You know, when I came across this program that you made 100% profit, and I'm like, do you though? Like, I don't know that you do.
Yeah.
So I kind of dug into a little more, and then, you know, the automated system. And I've never had anything automated before. So back 3 or 4 years ago, 4 or 5 years ago, I was looking, I actually went into real estate instead of something digital because I was like, I have no tech skills. I don't know what I'm doing. You know, all the social medias, I would scroll, but I wouldn't post because I was always afraid to push a button. Like if I push the wrong button, what's going to happen? Nothing is going to happen other than you push a button, right? So I just didn't have the confidence to go digital. Doing hair for 35 years, I've never even worked on a computer.
Wow.
Until I started the real estate. So I was scrolling on Facebook one night and I seen this post and I was like, oh man, that's that digital thing that I really want to do. Like, why am I not doing that? And so I kept watching her for a couple of weeks and I'm like, I'm just doing it. It was like 11 o'clock at night. I just like clicked on it. I watched the video and I just got up and I got my purse and I came back and he goes, what are you doing? I was like, nothing. And I just like bought it like right then. I'm like, okay, I'm doing this. And I like wavered like doing the launch pad because then there wasn't much skin in the game, right? And I'm like, why would you only do that one? No, if I'm going to do it, I'm going to go all in because I wanted the legacy. I wanted to change something. You know, you can buy something $100 all day long. You can't even get groceries. 2 sacks and you've spent over $100. And I'm like, $100 isn't going to change what I'm already doing. So I went all in and bought the legacy builder. And I'm like, okay, let's do this. So, I mean, I jumped in, I started studying, I started doing the, you know, I mean, it says literally start here. And I'm like, okay, I can do this. So I just started clicking and taking notes and I've got like 2 notebooks, like taking notes and stuff and just started implementing. And, you know, my whole life I've been a procrastinator, but the mindset that this program gives you pushes procrastination out of you. Like it really makes you want to be consistent and do the 2 hours. Like you're literally told step by step by step what to do.
So you like the structure of the program?
I love it. Yes, because I'm a visual person. Probably a lot of creative people are visual. If I read something, I have no clue what I just read. Like I'll have to read it 3 or 4 times. But you know, seeing the videos and hearing someone talk, and then you can also see it too, and like it's there.
Right.
Yeah, I love it. You know, because you do this one and then you implement it. And I'm like, okay, I can do this. And then, you know, sometimes I'll get in my own head and I'm like, no, just stop. You can do this.
Love it.
You know, so it's been amazing. Like I'm so glad I found this program.
So, and how long have you been in the community?
I actually signed up July 18th of 2024, which is our son's birthday.
Oh wow.
And so as I was signing up, I'm like, okay, well today's Matt's birthday. Happy birthday, because our lives are changing.
Yes, I love that. That's good.
So, yeah.
So if you go back to, because that was not even 2 months ago,
Right.
But if you look at your confidence that you had then compared to now, is there any difference?
Oh my gosh. Yeah, there was such a big difference because mindset coaching has been out there forever. I mean, and I've listened to some, but you know, when I heard Laura St. John, I'm like, okay, I like her. Yeah, the mindset just has built my confidence, and it's also changed the way I picture our life. You know, because visually, I've always lived here. Wanted to come over here, but didn't know how to get there. To see like the roadmap that the mindset coaching teaches you, huge.
Yeah.
Huge.
Wow.
Like it's truly,
Everything.
it's good. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's so good.
And now your daughter does this with you?
Yes, our daughter does it with us or with me.
Yeah.
And that's so much fun. Because she's stronger in one part, I'm stronger in another part. And she'll be like, she'll send me a video, she'll be like, Mama, watch this. Tell me what I should do. And I'm like, it's great. I mean, you need to put the little header thing on it like Michelle says to do and keep the same consistency, you know? And she was like, okay. And then I'll do the same thing to her. I'll create something and I'm like, Amber, oh, I don't know. I'm afraid to post this. And she goes, just hit post.
Aw, how fun.
She goes, it's good, Mama, just put it out there. And so, you know, we kind of have that back and forth that we can, you know, lean on each other and build from each other. And she said one day, she said, if you would make as many videos as I do, and if I watched as much content as you did, we would be like the perfect person.
That's great. Yeah.
I was like, well, I'll teach you what I know and you can help me make videos.
Aw, how
So
fun.
it is fun doing it with
Yeah.
her and just watching her grow. Because I've really seen her confidence in herself grow. And that's pretty cool too.
That's
So
priceless.
it is priceless.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
So if you could fast forward to 3 years, what does your life look like in 3 years?
Peaceful. Very peaceful. Very stress-free. And we don't have a lot of stress just because I just don't allow it. Like me and Wesley have such a comfortable relationship that there's not a lot of stress in our relationship. Just to not have to see how much, you know, how much money's in this account. And I've done it. I mean, just last week I'd be like, oh no, don't want to use that. Let's go here. And you know, just checking our accounts just to make sure that everything's where it needs to be. Like I want to know that there's this amount in each of them, not just like this one and this one and this one, you know, I want this amount in all of them.
Yes.
And I know that it's going to be there in 3 years. I know that it's going to be there in 2025 because of this program. And it's so surreal. I have found what's going to continue to better our lives. You know, I just love it so much.
So what is one thing that you've already gotten out of the community that you didn't expect to ever get from being inside a community?
Just how real people are. The community has 40,000+ members in it, and you can get on there any day, any time of the week, ask a question. Someone is going to help you in a positive way. Someone's going to lift you up. You know, you got this, go do it, you know. It's just so sweet to be part of that. And then meeting people in person this week has just been amazing. You know, that connection just went to the next level. Just getting to feed off of each other and help each other, you know.
For people that are like you, they weren't even very much experienced with a computer and brand new to this industry, what would be your best advice for somebody looking at launching their own online business in the digital marketing space?
Oh, don't wait. Don't wait. Like, don't let no tech skills, no confidence, don't let that stop you, because there's enough people in this community that you're going to make it. If you want to make it, you're not going to be doing it by yourself, because that's the difference between this other program out here and our program. The interaction, you know, you're not doing it by yourself. It's your business, but you're not alone. And I love that, because being self-employed, it's been my salon always, but always someone there with me, you know. So you have that interaction. And I love that because I just couldn't imagine trying to do it on my own, you know? It's just, it's just, it'd be tough.
Yeah.
No, I don't think with this program it would be though, because you still, it's step by step by step, it teaches you.
But being around like-minded people is a game changer.
Oh, it's a game changer.
Yeah.
I mean, you can take the little food spread that we had last night. You know, no one talked to each other,
I know.
but, you know, 3 or 4 people brought different things, and it was all the same type of food.
Complimented.
It complemented
Yes.
each other. Every food complemented each other. And it was like, this is so cool, because, you know, we just everyone meshes so good. And I love it.
It's been so fun getting to know you.
Oh my gosh, it's been so fun getting to know you, and yeah, it's been great. And I know everyone has told you this, but watching you on video and then watching you in person, you are the same person. I mean, you're the same.
Why are you crying?
I don't
You're
know.
making me cry.
I don't know, because it's just, it means a lot. Because you get those people out there that showboat, or on video they're this person, and then in real life they don't have time for you. You know, they've got time for you here, but they don't here. Like, no, you get over there, you're not here yet.
Right.
No, you're the same. And I appreciate that.
Thank you.
I love that.
That's a huge compliment. I love that.
Yeah. Yeah.
And you know, because I train on that, right? Just be you.
Just be you.
Just be you, and everything will work out right.
Yep.
So, well, I'm proud of you.
Thanks,
So
love.
awesome having you in my life.
I'm
So,
blessed.
Yeah.
So
Very.
yes.
Very. Thank you.
I love it. Thank you.